Hello viewers, this is Sai Kumar from Rajati Family Kitchen. I'm going to talk to you about the benefits of carrots today. Carrots are available in plenty and they are quite cheap as well. But it's very interesting to note that carrots have got a lot of benefits. The benefits of carrots are it improves vision and it helps prevent cancer, slows down aging, promotes healthier skin. They are best known for their ability to improve and protect eyesight because they have a lot of vitamin A, and vitamin A happens to be the essential vitamin that is used with the eyes to maintain good vision. Another benefit of carrot is that it prevents cardiovascular disease. The health benefits of carrots for men including reducing the risk of prostate cancer. The vitamins in carrots give your immune system a much needed boost. A well-functioning immune system can prevent the onset of common communicable diseases like colds and flu and help your body heal faster if you do fall ill. And another benefit is that carrot has a lot of potassium. It's got plenty of potassium in it. It's beneficial to the skin. If your skin looks dull or is showing signs of aging, you can use carrots to get it glowing again. We can use carrots in many ways, like carrot juice, carrot halwa, carrot paisam or carrot kheer, you can call it, carrot chutney, carrot chapati, carrot vadam, carrot pickle, carrot pakoda, and so on. The list can be endless. I thank you for watching this video. If you like, please comment and subscribe. Thank you.